来看美国 AI 晶片厂回答，昨公布上新的财报，表现阁比市场的预期阁较好，营收甲利润拢阁创新高，嘛带动美国科技股阁再起价。回答的执行长黄仁勋嘛强调讲，全球各地拢会去 AI 工厂，需求是真旺。美国总统川普又阁讲到讲，回答甲因的台湾朋友伫美国去晶片厂，嘛强调讲，甲台湾合作会当来扩大美国晶片的产能。
在美国华府举行的比赛投资论坛，特斯拉执行长马斯克回答执行长黄仁勋讲台，讲到 AI 新一轮投资热潮，回答上进财报阁拍败华尔街预期，提出了中心甲 AI 复合器出货强力带动之下，第三季营收570亿美金，比去年同期成长62%，也看动整体科技股走势。黄仁勋伫会场将回答形容做全球 AI 基础建设的核心供应商。
We worked together to get this company started and off the ground, and just got an incredible customer with Elon. Could you imagine a startup company, approximately $0 billion in revenues, now going to build a data center for Elon? 500 megawatts is gigantic. This company is off the charts right away.
除了有中东资金加持，黄仁勋最近连线到台湾，强调无台积电就无回答。川普伫刚进入论坛致辞时，特别讲到回答甲台湾朋友，伫美国去晶片厂表示要放任高科技人才签，互台湾工程师先到美国带头教学，了后搁将技术交予美国本土劳工，互外界看出是对台湾半导体关系上新背书。
Jensen, I don't think you can open up a big plant with your friend from Taiwan where we're going to have 40 or 50% of the computer chip business I don't think you can do that with people that don't even know what a chip looks like. Do you agree with that?
不过，就伫回答财报，搁一摆互人学论的时阵 ，AI 是毋是过热？估计是毋是提早反应，也是华尔街关注焦点。分析人士指出，回答有真大现金甲技术优势，对起来有关是带头者。不过，长期来看，那产业为大型有限模型，转向其他 AI 结果，回答也要继续创新战维持领先。
NVIDIA is in somewhat a better position than others because they're sitting on a huge pile of cash. I would say the bigger risk is to the companies that have taken on a lot of debt, new companies like CoreWeave that rent out GPUs.
面对 AI 引擎甲最破坏纪录之间，黄仁勋提出新一代布莱克威晶片，抢攻全球云端甲企业订单。川普将 AI 晶片甲高阶制造看作是美国甲中国、欧洲竞争的关键战略产业。为扫地 AI 做了中心到美国本土晶片工厂，甲台湾的晶片供应链，未来几个月回答财报，恐惊也继续牵动全球资本市场前景。公司新闻电话因编译。